The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Google Play Music. So I'm on phoneyarning.com here, and it says here Google Play Music could be dead by 2019, replaced by YouTube Remix. So this is bad news for those of you who use Google Play Music. I'm a big fan of Google Play Music. I think it's the best music streaming service in my opinion. I think Play Music is the best music streaming service. That's my opinion, but some of you guys might agree with me. Some of you guys might think, might think another service is better than Play Music, but that's your opinion. So let's check this out, alright? It says, remember that rumor about YouTube Remix, an upcoming music streaming service that's supposed to challenge Apple Music and Spotify? Well, it looks like Google has very big plans for the service. According to Droid Life, a reliable source, YouTube Remix will replace Google Play Music by the end of 2018. At the moment, it's not clear exactly when the new service is launching, but it's said that Google Play Music users will have no choice than to move to YouTube Remix. So, we could see YouTube Remix by the end of 2018. We could see it by the end of this year. So we'll see how that all goes. Google has secured deals with major music labels for the launch of YouTube Remix. Of course, Google already had a deal for Play Music, which currently includes a bit over 40 million songs. Reportedly, YouTube Remix will take advantage of YouTube's vaster catalog of music while offering many, if not all, of the features available on Play Music, including Smart Playlist. The new service could be an upgrade over Play Music, but it remains to be seen if users will like it. Yeah, right now the YouTube Remix thing, it's a mystery right now. We'll have to wait and see when the thing launches, and we'll have to wait and see how that fares with users out there. Says it makes sense for Google not to want to provide two music streaming services at once, even if the upcoming one won't be Google branded. We can only hope YouTube Remix will be better than Play Music, and the transition to the new service won't suck. So, this is very interesting, guys. So, if you guys ever YouTube remixer, they had an article back from December. I think I did a video about this. I think I did. I don't remember if I did or not. It's been fucking almost 5 months now if I did, but they got an article here. You guys can click on the article by clicking on this article and just next video, then clicking on this article right here, and it says that YouTube is supposed to launch a remix streaming music service in March of 2018. Well, it's almost May now, and YouTube Remix is not here. So it says that it could be here by the end of 2018. So Play Music could be dead by 2019, which I'm sad about that, because I love Play Music a lot. I think it's a great streaming service for music and stuff like that. I think it's a great music service. $10 a month, it's a win. You can listen to about any song you want to. You can get YouTube Red with it. So you get two benefits with Play Music. You get YouTube Red, and you get music and stuff like that. And you can do podcasts and do everything that you can do on Play Music. You can do it on there. I don't know what YouTube Remix will have. I'm not sure what features it will have. It says that it's gonna have all the features of Play Music on there. Probably have a podcast on there, stuff like that. So yeah, and for those of you who have Google Play Music right now and you guys continue to use it until it shuts down, you guys will have to go over to YouTube Remix. So I don't know how much it's gonna cost. I know it's gonna cost. It's not gonna be free. It's not gonna be free. So you will have to pay for YouTube Remix. You will have to pay for it. It's not gonna be free. Hopefully it's like $10, and hopefully they'll give us a free trial with YouTube Remix, even if we were already previous subscribers to Play Music. Hopefully they'll do that, but we'll have to wait and see when that time comes. So, yeah, in my opinion, this sucks in my opinion, because like I said, I love play music. I think it's the best music streaming service in my opinion. I think it's worth the $10 a month. I think it's worth it. You know, if you're a new subscriber, you get a 30-day trial, and you can cancel anytime, obviously. If you're a new subscriber, if you can, try to get like the deals where you can get like 4 months for free and stuff like that. So if you guys can get take advantage of that, you know, that's great. But I mean, this shit sucks in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? I love play music a lot. I think it's great, and you know, we will have to wait and see what Remix brings us. We will have to wait and see, because we don't know. We don't know. Hopefully it will offer the same features that Play Music offers. Hopefully it will just take the features from Play Music over to Remix. Hopefully it will just do that. Because like I said, you YouTube Red with Play Music, so that's a win if you guys, you know, do that or whatever. So you do get that. That's included in your subscription to Play Music. Which is pretty nice. I mean, I don't know how this new music streaming service is gonna fare with users. We will have to wait and see when it comes out. You know, we will just have to wait and see, guys. That's the only thing that we can do right now is just wait and see what happens. Hopefully that they'll launch YouTube Remix before they close down, before they shut down Play Music, so people can integrate to it, figure out if they're interested in it, and hopefully that the transition is smooth. Hopefully it's no frustration to transition to Remix or whatever. So we'll just have to wait and see, guys. That's the only thing that we can do right now is just wait and see. You know what I'm saying? I am not happy about this, because I love play music, and I think it's the best music streaming service out there in my opinion. For $10 you can't go wrong, and you get YouTube Red with that. So what do you guys think about this? Do you guys use Play Music? What if you guys don't use Play Music? What music service do you use? Do you pay for it? Stuff like that. What do you think? Would you just think about Remix? Do you guys think it? What did you guys try Remix or whatever? I don't know when Remix comes out. I might try it out and see what it's like, because you know I might try it out, but you know. But yeah, only thing that we can do right now is just wait and see. Just wait and see, because that's the only thing we can do right now. So by the time 2019 comes around, Play Music could be dead. Unfortunately, because I don't know, man. This is crazy. Hopefully the transition from Play Music to Remix will be smooth, but you know. Hopefully they'll give us a free trial to Remix, so when it comes out, even if we were previous subscribers to Play Music, we will have to wait and see about that. So yeah, guys, what do you guys think about this? Let me know what you guys think about it. Are you guys sad about it? Are you guys kind of thrilled about it? Are you guys looking forward to it? What is your opinions about this? I'd like to know that in the comment section of the video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.